Hello everyone, welcome to your channel ZDPI King by Ex-NIBM. So today we are going to solve SNAP 2024 paper which was held on December 2024 by CMAT 2021 dropper itself, and here we are continuing our series of quantitative data interpretation and data sufficiency section. We started from question number 16th onward, and we have been solving through our tricks and tips which will help you throughout your preparation scenario and in order to get very good percentile in your examination. So the tricks which I use while solving all these type of question, that will impress you, I am damn sure for this. So please watch our earlier videos. Every question, for example 26 question how I solved, that is not a ordinary approach. That is a very good approach, and with easier language I have made you understand. So today we are going to solve 33 number question. Now you can see here what they're asking, that below is the export and import data of a company. Okay, which year has the lowest percentage fall in the import from its previous year? Means we have to find that year immediately previous year having lowest percentage fall, means there is fall, but which has lowest percentage. So first of all we will go with option number first, because we have seen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 years are. If we will individually check, at least 6% we have to check, then compare. That is not good way. So we will go with 2021. Here you can see 5 unit fall over 40, that is 12.5% fall. Okay, this is 12.5% fall. We will go with 2024. What is fall? No, there is a rise of 3 unit. Okay, you can see a rise of 3 unit in compared to previous one. 2023 lowest percentage fall. In 2023 you can see here the fall of 30 unit over 75. So 30 over 75 means what? 40%. Okay, 40% is fall. In 2020 we will check what is a fall. That is a 5 unit fall over 45, means 11%, approximately 11% fall. So which of these ABCD is lowest fall? That is 2020. So 2020 will be correct answer. Like this method we have to go. If we will keep just going by question and then solving the questions language, we will not able to just go through this question within a less time, and we will get that percentile of 70 80 in that range only. So if we have to score higher, we have to think extraordinary and apply that skill also in your examination. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure if you want to join the SNAP 2025 complete quant course with Ex-NIBM, you can WhatsApp us at the given number. Thank you very much for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you very much.